Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this time, I want to present our result about seminar proposal. The title is The Effect of the COVID-19 Virus Pandemic on the Financial Statement of Companies Listed on the Indonesia Stock Exchange. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Ilal Hilalia from Faculty of Economics, Universitas Negeri Jakarta. Chapter 1, Preliminary. Research background. There was a case of pneumonia that started in China in December 29. Then the case continued to multiply and spread to various parts of the world in February 2020. The virus was named COVID-19 by WHO. In March 2020, President Jokowi announced the first case of COVID-19, and then a few months later, many Indonesian people were infected. This made the government have to make policies, one of which was large-scale social restriction. This made the workforce do work from home and learning from home for students. The existence of the COVID-19 pandemic has hampered and restricted people mobility. Many changes have occurred, such as every time you go, you have to wear a mask, keep your distance from other people, maintain cleanliness, and activities that are usually offline become online. This has affected several sectors. Some are positively affected, such as pharmaceuticals, technology, and some are negatively affected, such as transportation, hospitality, and tourism. This is what makes researchers want to do further research with a wider scope, so that the title of this research is The Effect of the COVID-19 Virus Pandemic on Financial Statement in Companies Listed on the Indonesia Stock Exchange. Next, research question and purpose. Research question: how does the COVID-19 virus pandemic affect the financial statement of companies listed on the Indonesia Stock Exchange? Research purposes: to analyze the influence of the COVID-19 pandemic on the financial statement of companies listed on the Indonesia Stock Exchange, in particular to find out, first, is there a difference in the liquidity ratio before the 2019 pandemic and during the 2020 COVID pandemic? Second, is there a difference in the solvency ratio before the 2019 pandemic and during the 2020 COVID pandemic? 3. Is there a difference in profitability ratio before the 2019 pandemic and during the 2020 COVID pandemic? 4. Is there a difference in the activity ratio before the 2019 pandemic and during the 2020 COVID pandemic? Benefits of research. Theoretical benefits become a reference for those who want to do further research as additional knowledge regarding financial statement analysis before and during the COVID-19 outbreak to see differences in the performance of companies listed on the Indonesia Stock Exchange. Practical benefits for companies, for publics, for investors. Chapter 2, Literature Review. Definition of financial statement. Financial statements are reports that show the company's current financial condition or at a certain period. Next is definition of analysis financial statement. Financial statement analysis is a process in which there are activities to dissect financial statement into each of its components. Then an in-depth study is carried out on this component and the relationship between this component. This can produce a comprehensive understanding of the financial statements. Next is definition of financial statement ratio. Financial ratio are activities that compare the numbers in the financial statement and divide one number by another. Next is types of financial ratios. First, liquidity ratio. In the liquidity ratio, there is a current ratio, quick ratio, cash ratio, and inventory turnover ratio. In the solvency ratio, there is a debt to asset ratio, debt to equity ratio, long-term debt to equity ratio, inventory turnover ratio, time interest, and fixed charge coverage. And the third is activity ratio. In the activity ratio, there is a receivable turnover, inventory turnover, working capital turnover, fixed asset turnover, return on equity, total asset turnover. And the last is profitability ratio. In the profitability ratio, there is a net profit margin, return on asset, return on equity. Next is conceptual framework. In this conceptual framework, financial statements are seen before and during the pandemic. Then financial performance is measured through the ratio, liquidity ratio, solvency ratio, profitability ratio, and activity ratio. Then a different test is carried out to see if there is a significant effect or not. Next is previous research. The first is author Evi Kumala Nurdiana M. Khalid Mawadi in the 2021. The title is The Effect of the COVID-19 Virus Pandemic on the Quarterly Financial Statement of LQ45 Companies List on the Indonesia Stock Exchange. The second, the author is Melinda Lumenta, Henrika Malio, Lady Diana Latjandu in the 2021. The title is Comparative Analysis of the Financial Performance of Transportation Companies Before and During the COVID-19 Pandemic. And the third is, the author is Rosdiana in the 2021. The title is The Impact of the COVID-19 Pandemic on the Performance of Property and Real Estate Companies Listed on the IDX. And the fourth, the author is Maria G. F. Esomar in the 2021. The title is of the analysis of the impact of COVID-19 on the financial performance of financing companies in Indonesia. The last, the author is Richard Lowardi and Maswar Abdi in the 2021. The title is The Effect of the COVID-19 Pandemic on the Performance and Financial Condition of Public Companies in the Property Sector. Next is hypothesis. Hypothesis 1. There is a significant difference in current ratio before and during the COVID-19 pandemic for companies listed on the IDX. Hypothesis 2. There is a significant difference in the debt to total asset ratio before and during the COVID-19 pandemic in companies listed on the IDX. Hypothesis 3. There is a significant difference in asset turnover before and during the COVID-19 pandemic for companies listed on the IDX. Hypothesis 4A, there is a significant difference in return on asset before and during the COVID-19 pandemic for companies listed on the IDX. Hypothesis 4B, there is a significant difference in return on equity before and during the COVID-19 pandemic for companies listed on the IDX. Chapter 3, Research Method. Unit of Analysis, Population and Sample. Unit of Analysis, companies listed on the Indonesia Stock Exchange. Population, companies listed on Indonesia Stock Exchange for the period 2019 until 2020. Sample. Using purposive sample technique, as many as 500 to 29 companies were sampled. Data collection techniques, literature study, and documentation study. Variable operation, dependent variable yaitu financial statement, and independent variable financial performance such as liquidity ratio, solvency ratio, activity ratio, and profitability ratio. Analysis techniques using a financial ratio analysis, financial statement, descriptive statistic test, and t-test difference with related samples using a application SPSS. Thank you for watching my presentation. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.